HP DiskJet 4729 all-in-one Ultra Ink Advantage wireless printer. A printer from HP series will be well managed and intelligent, and the same is with this 4729 model. This Ultra Ink Advantage printer not only comes with the wireless operating facility but also with the Alexa enabled voice assistant. If you want an automatic wireless printer, then HP 4729 can make a place in your home. From an overview of home use also, the printer stands impressive because of its sleek design and voice assistant features. The printer claims to deliver you more prints than any other model of HP and also assures the same quality of the brand. If this brief description makes you feel good, then get ready to have a detailed look at the product with the details given below. All in one. With this HP model right at your home, you need not to have other devices like a scanner, photocopying machine, etc. Because with the name of the printer, it can give you scanned flatbed documents and photocopies too. This Ink Advantage printer also assures you to give the best color printing experience. Hands-free. The printer also comes with a fantastic quality of being hands-free. With the Alexa enabled feature, you can easily print media vocally. The printer also works with Google Assistant, making it fit for home use. Apart from this, the model also has a noise reducing feature that will help you stay concentrated all the time while you are working. From working at the home to enjoying printing media, you can do all you want with this unknown technology. Connectivity. As it is a wireless printer, it offers you one of the readiest to use connectivity options. It provides Wi-Fi connectivity along with a physical USB connection, making it one of the most portable wireless printers. As the ease of connectivity is one of the most demanding features of a printer, HP 4729 has successfully stood out as it this detail. This extra amazing feature can readily grasp the claim made by the company regarding ease of use. Display. Display that a printer offers decides its usefulness, and with the HP 4729 model at your home, you don't have to worry about it. It gives you the most wanted 7-segment display that is probably enough to decide whether it is good. Apart from this, the printer also gives you the icon LCD, which adds upon its qualities. So if you are worried about the display, then you can skip all the worries and have a look at the model. Cost and time efficiency. Though all the above listed features are enough to prove that its adequacy, the most important detail to look at is the ppm count. HP 4729 gives you 7.5 pages per minute with a black and white printout and 5.5 pages per minute with color printouts, enabling you to save a lot of your precious time. Talking about the cost per print, it is one of the most efficient printers. At just a nominal cost of 52 paise for black and white print and 1 rupee 1 paise for colored printouts. It offers you efficiency at a cost too. No matter what printer are you choosing, wired or wireless, ppm count and cost per print are the things which must be dealt with carefully. And fully maintain both these features are full with this alternative HP model. Good range of page sizes supported. Another essential feature to look upon while deciding the printer for you is its compatibility with the page sizes, because they may vary with the situation and need. HP 4729 offers you a wide range of sizes of the page to choose from A4, A6 and B5 to DL envelope. You can opt for any size to have the desired printout without compromising with the quality and outlook. Resolution. The resolution offered by the model is one of the best resolutions provided by a wireless printer. It provides 4800 by 1200 optimized DPI with colored printouts and up to 1200 by 1200 rendered DPI for black and white printouts. If you don't want to compromise with the quality, then you can choose this printer. Size. It has one of the most demanded compatible size, having dimensions 48.6 by 35 by 18.8 centimeters. It is not too big and not too small for your desired printouts. Having such a compatible printer right at your home is nothing less than a boon. Ink cartridge. HP 4729 comes with 2 additional free ink cartridges, one for black and white and one for colored printouts. The model comes with HP 46 black and tricolor ink cartridge that offer you a page yield of 1500 pages for black and white printouts and 750 pages for colored printouts. Pros and cons. Pros. Economical printer for home use, offers you one of the easiest setups, premium looking printer with excellent printing experience. Cons. Does not support double side printing, does not offer quick printing experience.